Guys, I just ate 2 eggs, which was 2 less than yesterday. If you can do that simple math. Yeah, I've been doing some brunch and just really like, eating that high-powered meal first thing and then just eating a snack and then eating dinner later this week. I'm doing some house sitting for my parents. They went to St. Pete, Clearwater Beach area for a little not too far away vacay, so isn't that nice? A little getaway. And the last few days I've just been eating just fried eggs, like, what do you call it? Over easy, over medium, whatever. So not scrambled, not my omelets that I love to make. And I thought I would share, because sometimes you do bagels, right? Sometimes you do, they have a big ass, huge one of these drawers, like, what is it? Freezer. And then they have like extra, look at this. This is insane, right? I always have like a regular freezer, but I just thought I'd share. Because sometimes I make, what do you call it? Biscuits from scratch. But you don't always feel like it. Like, especially today, I'm like, my face is puffy. Guys, when I woke up, I was like washing my face so many times and it's still, I'm having issues, feeling tired. The coffee, I might need double, triple doses of coffee. But, whoop, Pillsbury Doughboy, woohoo! The Pillsbury Grands. These are the Southern home style buttermilk biscuits. And this is their air fryer, buddy. Don't have an air fryer here. My baby daddy had the air fryer at his house, so he likes to do that. But yeah, these are super easy. Oven, air fryer, toaster oven. Yeah, so these are really good and easy. So I've been doing like 5 at a time. I would share the video. I was gonna share the video I did yesterday, and I dropped an F-bomb in the video. So I'm like, I don't think YouTube supports that. So something happened that made me say F. So today I'm laughing because I'm being careful and safe and not having that issue. So yeah, I am gonna eat at least 2 of these, if not, I think I ate 4 yesterday. You guys, I had 4 eggs, 4 biscuits yesterday. Like for real? Yeah, for real. Yeah, so this is one of my breakfast and brunch ideas. That's so easy. I already ate the eggs. I've been using butter. I used to try to be healthier, and now I'm like, okay, I like butter, love it. I've always loved it. Why would I deprive myself? So I cook the eggs in butter, and then I do salt, pepper, little lemon juice. That's my little secret. It really brightens up and brings the flavor out and like just brightens up everything. Lemon just, And I'm laughing because also these are buttermilk biscuits. And guess what I do when I open them up to eat them? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna open up this thing of butter here, put a little extra butter, and then I'm gonna do some jelly. So instead of peanut butter jelly, butter and jelly, butter, jelly. Oh my God, butter, jelly, BJ. Okay, that has multiple meanings, but I digress. I'm gonna heat up my coffee. I'm gonna do a little B&J, a little butter jelly here. And yeah, lots of other ideas to do with the biscuits, especially when you're on the go, you gotta work, you gotta go somewhere. I'll just put the egg and the cheese in here, even with no condiments, just heat it up a little bit. Mwah, you have yourself like a much cheaper, better like breakfast biscuit than if you go to McDonald's and all that, right? Sometimes you can cook some sausage or a little bit of bacon, put it in there, but usually I just do egg and cheese. It's like easier and probably healthier. So that is my brunch share today and recommendation for easy breakfast and brunch. You're welcome.